Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we are going to understand how to get WhatsApp alerts for new Instagram leads. So are you also using Instagram lead ads to promote your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So what I'm doing the same. I'm running a sports training center, and to grow and promote it I'm using Instagram lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a new lead is generated in my Instagram lead ads, automatically with the help of the same lead details and WhatsApp alert should be sent to my team. So to do this, we are going to create a connection between Instagram lead ads and WhatsApp. To create this connection without knowing any programming or coding language, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing automation software. So I'm going to do this and send WhatsApp alert to my team so that we can quickly follow up with the new leads and convert them into paying clients. So do you also wish to learn this process step by step? Then let me take you to my computer screen.
Welcome to my screen. So as you know, in this video we are going to understand how to get WhatsApp alerts from new Instagram leads. So as you know that I'm running a sports training center and we generate many leads through our Instagram promotions. So now to ensure that we respond to all of these leads, what I want is that as soon as the new lead is received from my Instagram lead ads, an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to my team that we have received a new lead. So this instant notifications allow our team to follow up with the lead quickly, ensuring timely communication and improving our chances of converting the leads into a member. So to do this, I've successfully opened my Instagram account and also my Facebook page, where you can see that this is the business I'm running, which is Sports Elite Training Center. And now using this Facebook page only, I'm running Instagram lead ads. Over here you can see that there's a successful connection between my Instagram account and my Facebook page. And as you can see that using this Facebook page only, I'm running Instagram lead ads, and I've also attached a lead gen form in this lead. So what I want is that as soon as someone sees my ad on their Instagram account, they should get the option to fill in the lead form also. And as soon as they are going to fill in the lead form, I am going to get the details of them instantly within seconds. So to do all of this, I've simply opened the landing page of Pabbly by searching pabbly.com/connect in my browser. It is very easy. So as soon as we are going to open the landing page of Pabbly, we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you're a new user, you can click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month. But I'm an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in right over here. And as soon as we are going to click on sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. Over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Connect because we are connecting different applications. So I'm going to click on access now right over here to access my Pabbly Connects account. And now it is opening my dashboard, and to start with the automation, we are going to click on this button which says create workflow. And now it is asking me the workflow name and the folder I want to save the workflow in. So I want to save the workflow in this folder which says automations, and I want to name my workflow as get WhatsApp alerts for new Instagram leads. And then we are going to click on create. And as soon as we are going to click on create, it is opening the most important window of our automation. So this is our workflow window. So this is the most important window because we have trigger and action, and this trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger is the commander for the workflow and actions follow the commands. And as you know that we can have only a single commander but multiple followers. So that's why we can have only a single trigger but multiple actions following the commands of our trigger right over here in our workflow. So by this you can understand that the trigger commands the workflow and the actions are response towards that same command. So now we are going to select our trigger application, which is Instagram lead ads, because I want that as soon as a new lead is received in my Instagram lead ads, automatically my workflow should be triggered. So I'm going to search for Instagram lead ads, and as you can see the same, so we are going to select it. And after selecting this, it is asking me for the trigger event. So for the trigger event, we are going to select it as new lead instant, because I want that instantly Pabbly should capture the response of the new lead. And then we are going to click on connect. And as soon as we are going to click on connect, it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your Instagram lead ads account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection and then connect with Instagram lead ads. And as soon as we are going to do this, it is asking me to select my Facebook account. So as you can see that this is the same Facebook account I've connected with my Instagram account. So that's why it is asking me for the permissions of this. So I'm going to click on continue and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for. Again, we are going to click on continue. And as soon as we are going to do this, you can see that we have successfully connected our Instagram lead ads account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me for the name of the page. So as you know, the name of my my page is Sports Elite Training Center. So I'm going to search for same right over here. And as you can see the same, so we are going to select it. And now it is asking me for the lead gen form. So I'm going to select my lead gen form, which is sports training form. You can select any lead gen form which is your desired, or if you want to create this automation for all your lead gen forms, you can select all lead gen forms too. So I'm going to select this lead gen form, which is sports training form, because I've connected this same form with my Instagram ads over here. You can see that this is the form I've connected. So now we are going to select it, and then we are going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as we are going to click on save and send test request, it is saying waiting for a webhook response, and in the notes it is saying do a test submission / record. So in order to capture this webhook response, we have to do a test submission. And in order to do the test submission, I'm going to open a new tab, and then we are going to search for Meta for Developers. And now after opening Meta for Developers, over here you can see the landing page of Meta for Developers. So from here we are going to go on more and then tools, and now we are going to scroll and select lead ads RTO debug tool. And as soon as we are going to select this, it is opening lead ads testing tool. So with the help of this tool only, we are going to do the test submission. So I'm going to select the page and the form right over here, as we selected the same in our workflow. So over here I'm going to select the page as, over here you can see Sports Elite Training Center, and then for the form we are going to select it as sports training form, and then we are going to click on preview form. And as you can see that now it is asking me for some details. So I'm going to fill in the details. So it is saying preferred training program. So I'm going to select it as personal training. It is saying training goals. I'm going to select it as weight loss. It is asking me for the full name. So I want the full name to be demo user. So over here I'm going to enter it, demo user. And then it is asking me for the email. So I want the email to be demo@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to enter it right over here. And after entering the email, it is asking me for the phone number. So I want the phone number to be this. So I'm going to enter the phone number, and now it is asking me for the gender. So I want the gender to be male. So I'm going to enter it, and then we are going to click on continue and then submit. And as soon as we are going to click on submit, you can see your test lead has been sent. So yes, this means that we have successfully did the test submission, and lead ads testing tool has sent the details of a submission to our workflow. So I'm going to open my workflow and check for the response received. And yes, you can see that we have received the response of the same details that we entered in our test submission. Over here you can see the preferred training program, you can see the training goal, full name, email, phone number, and the gender that we entered. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our trigger step. Now we are going to move on to our action step. So for the action application, we are going to select it as WhatsApp Cloud API, because I want to receive an automated WhatsApp message as soon as a new lead is submitted. So I'm going to search for WhatsApp Cloud API, and as you can see the same, so we are going to select it. And now for the action event, we are going to select it as send template message, and then we are going to click on connect. And as soon as we are going to click on connect, you can see that it is asking me to add a new connection or select the existing connection. So if you have already connected your WhatsApp Cloud API account with your Pabbly's workflow, you can click on select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me. Click on add a new connection, and now it is asking me for the token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So now to get this, we are going to read the help text, and it is saying enter the system user generated token here. And over here you can see that there's a hyperlink of learn more. So we are going to click on this hyperlink which says learn more to look for the details which we want. And as you can see, how to set up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. So over here is a step-by-step tutorial that how you can set WhatsApp Cloud API setup inside your Pabbly Connect. So you have to follow this video to get the token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So over here I'm directly going to open my API setup because I've already completed it. And as you can see that this is my API setup. Over here you can see the temporary access token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So you're going to copy all of these three right from here, and then we are going to paste it in our workflow. But before doing this, you can see that this is a temporary access token, and over here you can see that it is saying this token will expire in 23 hours. So if you wish to generate a permanent access token, then you have to again go on that same learn more hyperlink, and over here you can see how to generate a permanent access token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. Over here you can see another step-by-step video to generate permanent token for WhatsApp Cloud API. So you can refer this video to get the permanent token. But I'm going to use this only for now. So I'm going to copy all of these three, which is the temporary access token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And then we are going to paste it right over here in our workflow. And now after pasting all of these three, we are going to click on save. And as soon as we are going to click on save, you can see that we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly's workflow. And now it is asking me for the template name. So now to let you know what does template name mean, I'm going to open my Cloud API setup again. And over here you can see that it is saying to create your own message template, click here. So we are going to click on this hyperlink right over here because we are going to look for the template that we have created, or if we want to create a new. And as soon as we are going to click on this, it is opening my WhatsApp manager. And over here you can see all the templates that I've already created. And as you can see that if you wish to create a new template, you can click on create template right over here to create a new. So I'm going to use one from this only, which is this new Instagram leads. Over here you can see the template which I have created. So I'm going to select the same right over here in my workflow also. So I'm going to select this new Instagram leads right from here. As you can see the same, so we are going to select this. And as soon as we are going to select the template name, you can see that Pabbly automatically detected the language code and the template ID. So we don't have to change this directly. We are going to move on to the recipient mobile number. So for the recipient mobile number, I'm going to enter the mobile number of my team right over here. So I'm going to enter it right from here. And we are not going to map this because this will remain static. And now after entering the mobile number, we are going to move on forward. And now you can see that it is asking me for the body field one example demo user. So now what does body field mean? So to let you know this, I'm going to open my template first. And as you can see that this is my template. Over here you can see the name of your template, which is new Instagram leads. Over here you can see the dummy message which we have to send to our team. And over here you can see the body of the message. So I'm going to open this body, and yes, you can see hello, we have a new lead from Instagram. Lead details, full name, email, phone number, gender, preferred training program, and training goals. Over here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 over here in curly brackets. So over here curly brackets number means that these are variables, and I want to change this with every new lead received in my Instagram lead ads account. So what I want is that with every new lead, the full name, the address, the phone number, and the rest of the details should change, and then the message should be sent to my team so that we can run this workflow in real time. So that's why I have entered these as variable, and we are going to map it right from here. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And as you know, our previous step was the trigger step where we selected Instagram lead ads as a trigger application. So we are going to map the details from the response of our trigger application only. And as soon as we are going to map these details automatically, my details will turn dynamic and change with every new lead received in my Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to give you an example. That right over here you can see body field one example demo user. So we have to map the name of our lead right over here. So if I'm going to enter the name of our lead, suppose demo user right over here manually, then this will not change with every new lead received because this is a static information and I've entered it manually. But if I'm going to map it from the previous response, suppose you can see the full name. So if I'm going to map it from the previous response, then yes, this will definitely change because my previous response will also change. So that's why we do mapping right over here to run our workflow in real time. And now it is saying body field to example demo @pabblytudes.com. So yes, we have to map the email right over here. So I'm going to search for email, and as you can see the same, so we are going to map it. We are going to move on forward. You can see body field 3 example the number. So we are going to map the number of our lead. So I'm going to search for it, and as you can see the same, so we are going to map it. We are going to move on forward. It is saying body field 4 example male. So we have to enter the gender. So I'm going to search for gender, and as you can see the same, so we are going to enter it. It is saying body field 5 example personal training. So we have to enter the preferred training right over here. So I'm going to search for it, and as you can see, preferred training program personal training. So I'm going to select it. We are going to do same for body field 6 also, which is example weight loss. So here we have to map the training goal. So I'm going to search for goal, and as you can see weight loss, so we are going to map it. And after mapping all the details we entered in our template, we are going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as we are going to click on save and send test request, you can see message status accepted. So yes, with this we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to our team that we have received a new lead. So I'm going to open the WhatsApp and check that if we have sent the WhatsApp message to our team or not. So over here I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, you can see the new WhatsApp message received. Over here you can see hello, you can see the lead details, you can see the name of the lead, the email, the phone number, gender, preferred training program, and the training goal that we entered. And yes, you can see that we have successfully sent this WhatsApp message. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow. And yes, I'll just try this workflow once, and this time I'm going to give you a real-time example. So to do this, I'm going to open my lead ads testing tool again. We're going to delete the previous lead and refresh the page. So it is really important to delete the previous lead and refresh the page, otherwise you'll not be able to create a new lead or preview the new form. So now what we have to do is we are going to do another test submission to check that if our workflow is running in real time or not. So for the page, we are going to select it as Sports Elite Training Center again, and then again we are going to select the form as Sports Training Form, and then we are going to click on Preview Form. And yes, you can see that again it is opening my form. So again I'm going to select the details for the training program. I'm going to select it as Sports Specific Training. For the training goals, we are going to select it as Sports Performance. For the full name, I'm going to keep it as Test User this time. So I'm going to enter test and then user. And then for the email, we are going to keep it as user@pabblytudes.com. So I'm going to enter it right over here. And now for the phone number, I want the phone number to be this. So I'm going to enter it as the phone number. And now it is asking me for the gender. So I want the gender to be female. So I'm going to enter it. And then we are going to click on continue and then submit. And as soon as we are going to click on submit, you can see your test lead has been sent. So yes, this means that lead ads testing tool has sent the details of a submission to our workflow. Pabbly captured the response, triggered the workflow, and further sent a new WhatsApp message to our team. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check that if we have received a new WhatsApp message or not. And this time we are not going back to our workflow and clicking on save and send test request. I'll directly open my WhatsApp and check for the new WhatsApp message received with the same template but the new details. So over here I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, you can see that we have received a new WhatsApp message. Hello, we have a new lead from Instagram. Over here you can see the new details: full name, test user, email user@pabblytudes.com. Over here you can see the phone number that we entered, the gender which is female. Over here you can see sports specific training, and you can see sports performance. So yes, we have successfully sent a new message with the new details. So this means that our workflow is running in real time and our workflow is successful. So I'll just summarize the workflow for you once. So for the trigger application, we selected Instagram lead ads. For the trigger event, we selected new lead instant. For the action application, we selected WhatsApp Cloud API, and then for the action event, we selected send template message because I wanted that as soon as the new lead is received in my Instagram lead ads account, automatically a WhatsApp alert should be sent to my team. So this instant alert allows our team to follow up with the lead quickly, ensuring timely communication and improving our chances of converting the lead into a member. So yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and over here you can see the two WhatsApp messages I sent during this video with the help of my workflow. So yes, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. And for your reference, I'll just clone this workflow and share the workflow link in the description box so that you can access my workflow. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly, you can integrate many more applications. So now, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. And if you find our videos helpful, do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.